Welcome to the giant coconut barrel. He saves 2 pirates from certain death by 2 skeletons and a bathroom attendant that turns on them and hurts the captain so the captain can make off with the treasure. Starring, written, directed, and produced by Sammy Boyer. And Jim McDonald had a farm. La la la, did you be do? We're walking. Wait, I have to use the bathroom. All right, but make it quick. Ow, ow, oh, that hurt my face. Ah, boy, ow. Wait a minute. Oh, nuts. Oh, what do I do with him? Just say 2 minutes later. 2 minutes later? This happened. Sorry. How long are you going to be in there? The bathroom attendant's an android! Wait, what? Hey, go! Ow. I said, the bathroom attendant's an android! Oh, sorry, Captain. Must get to the cave. Help me. Ow. Oh my God, he's breakdancing without even trying. Well, you can't tell by the way I use my walk. I'm a woman man. No time to talk. Staying alive. So much for staying alive. Help me. Running. Help me. Holy nut. Holy crud. We're surrounded. What the heck? Okay, that was a little weird. Run to the other side. Run, help me, ow. Oof. Hey, Captain, I have a question. Yeah? What are the odds of a giant pocket knife saving us? Apparently 1 in a million. Yay, we did it! Woohoo!